Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Thodi. Today the topic of my presentation is our planning process. Introduction. HR planning is a process that identifies current and future human resource needs for an organization to achieve its goals. It is a process through which right candidate for right job is ensured. Process of HR planning. Analyzing organization objective. The objective to be achieved gives the idea about the work to be done in the organization. Inventory of present human resource. From the update human resource information storage system, the current number of employees, their capacity, performance, and potential can be analyzed. Forecasting demand and supply of some human resource. The human resource required to at different position according to the job profile are to be estimated. The available internal and external sources to fulfill those requirements are also measures. Estimated manpower gaps. Comparison of human resource demand and human resource supply. I will provide you with the surplus or depleted human resource. Formulating the human resource action plan. The human resource plan depends on whether there is deficit or surplus in the organization. Accordingly, the plan may be finalized either for new recruitment, training, interdepartmental transfer in case of deficit of termination or voluntary retirement schemes, and development in case of surplus. Formulating the human resource action plan. The human resource plan depends on whether there is deficit or surplus organization. Accordingly, the plan will be finalized either for new recruitment, training, and department transfer in case of deficit of termination or voluntary retirement scheme, and development in case of surplus. Monitoring, control, and feedback. It mainly involves implementation of the human resource action plan. Human resources are allocated according to the requirement and inventories are updated over a period. The plan is monitored strictly to identify the deficiencies and remove it. Recruitment is an activity of searching candidates and encouraging them apply for it. Process. Vacancies are notified by the firm through various sources and applications. Form is made available to the candidate. Selection. Meaning, selection refers to the process of selecting the best candidate and offering them job. Process. The firm makes applicant pass through various levels like submitted form, written test, interview list, medical test, and so on. Organizational structure. defines the workers' relationship between employees and management. It defines and assigns the task for each employee working in the organization. The task is to be performed within the huge contraction. It also defines positions, rights and duties, opportunity and responsibility, and other working relationships. Thank you.